Welcome to Mary Kay's Web 3.0 Highlights video. This video is best experienced in full screen mode. Digital Limelight's Web 3.0 moves the web from 2.0 to Web 3.0 by upgrading and unifying web presences. First, let's take a look at Mary Kay's wired address and how it unifies their web presences. Wire addresses are basically .coms on steroids, since they are located on top of the aging domain name system and allow you to easily find all of an individual or business's web presences no matter where they are located around the web. The old domain name system simply points to a single website. For example, if we enter marykay.com, we get a single web presence, their website. Now, if we enter Mary Kay with two greater than signs to tell the Web 3.0 browser that this is the wired address and press enter, we get all of their web presences no matter where they are around the web. In a world of ever-growing social networks and content sites, it's important to have one place you can go to find all of an individual's or business's web presences. As we click on the entries in the wired address, they are launched in the default web browser. The first entry is the InTouch login for members. Next is the website. Most of the website's pages are linked here, so you can have direct navigation to those pages. Next is the YouTube channel.
Hey guys.
Next are the social networks such as Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, LinkedIn. Here's a Wikipedia page that tells about the company, followed by a biography.com page. We have a Google's image page that has dozens of images of Mary Kay. Next page tells about the good work that the Foundation for Mary Kay is doing. Next is the Mary Kay Museum. Next entry is a tribute page to Mary Kay Ash, followed by a virtual makeup app on iTunes. Here are 3 books by Mary Kay Ash. Now let's look at some of Mary Kay's new Web 3.0 content in the Web 3.0 browser and see how it upgrades web presences. Here is the Mary Kay logo alpha. It can be used as desktop decoration that can be used to launch the wired address. Let's see how that works. We can move it around to where we would like. We can hit the special effects button to create special effects. That would be drop shadow, glow, transparency, hologram effect. Now we're looking to launch the wired address. We click the wired address button and it launches. If you would like to have this as desktop decoration all the time, you can go to the settings drop down and click the save to desktop. Then when the computer reboots, this will automatically be displayed. If you're a fan, keep the logo on your desktop and show your support. Next are alpha photos. They're called alpha photos because they have an alpha transparent background. This one is of their products. This next one is of the famous lips. Now it's important to understand that all Web 3.0 content have wire addresses embedded in them. So any of this Web 3.0 content from Mary Kay has the Mary Kay wire address embedded, so it can be directly launched. Why that's important is when these items are shared from friend to friend and not launched from a wire address, the friend can then easily launch the wire address for Mary Kay and see all things Mary Kay. Next is an alpha paint. It's a next generation photo that when clicked turns on and off the background image. Next we have a couple shop launchers. They're some of the most popular products of Mary Kay. The TimeWise Repair Volume Firm and the TimeWise Miracle Set. Shop launchers, when clicked, launch the web page of where you can purchase that item. Next we have some web launchers. The first two are videos. Since these videos are outside the normal web browser, they're a perfect interface size for multitasking. You can watch the videos down at the bottom left here while surfing through Mary Kay's website and purchasing items on the right side. The bottom two are video playlists. We'll move that over here, scroll through it, find the video we want, click that video, and it launches. Next we have a web snippet. It's the mini site for Mary Kay. It's their entire site, but in a smaller format. This is also great for multitasking. Since this video is a highlights video based on Mary Kay's web presence at a given time, you should regularly check out Mary Kay's wire address for new web presences. Wire addresses are not just for businesses, they're also perfect for individuals. You may be seeing this from your Mary Kay representative. Let's look at a wire address from a made-up Mary Kay representative. Let's enter Jane Johnson, two greater than signs, and press enter, and there loads the wire address. The first entry is the Mary Kay wired entry embedded so that her clients can see everything Mary Kay. We click on that, it goes to the Mary Kay wire address. We click the back button and we go back to her wired address. Next is her My Mary Kay page where clients can go to purchase items. Next are her social network sites such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and then a couple photo sites, her Flickr, PhotoBucket. Next is her blog. After that is her Go USC Trojans, since she's a Trojan. Next are her family's wire addresses. And the last one's important. It's the donate to United Way. The last item within your wired address for individuals, we recommend being a donation button to gain more attention for that cause and hopefully raise more money. If you would like to get your very own wire address, you may want to do so soon, so you can get your perfect wire address name before somebody else takes it. Help Mary Kay increase their fan base by sharing this webpage with friends, family, and followers. If you would like to learn more about Web 3.0, go to our homepage at digitallimelight.com. Have fun in this new Web 3.0 world.